A hand uses a handheld curved garlic crusher to press down on a few cloves of garlic on a wooden cutting board. The minced garlic is shown, being scraped into a bowl, and then the tool is easily cleaned by rinsing it under a faucet. A hand holds up two small plastic tools, one pink and one yellow. An egg is placed on the pink tool and pressed down to create a small hole in the shell. A person is shown placing several pierced eggs into a pot of boiling water. The video then shows how easily the shell peels off of a hard-boiled egg that has been pierced. A person is then shown piercing a small quail egg there. A person places a large slice of watermelon into a metal handheld juicer and presses the handles together, squeezing the juice into a glass below. The process is repeated for a bunch of grapes and a peeled clementine, each time producing two different handheld coring tools are shown. One tool is pressed into the top of a green pear, removing the core. The same tool is used on a red apple, and then a yellow bell pepper, quickly and neatly removing the inner core of each. The person uses a pink hinge tool to crack an egg into a bowl. The tool holds the egg and a small blade quickly separates the shell, allowing the yolk and white to fall perfectly into the bowl. A green leaf-shaped tool is used to slice a large melon in half. The tool is then used on a yellow melon. A different white tool with a curved, spoon-like end is then used to scoop out the seeds from the melon halves. The leaf-shaped tool is then shown again, slicing the melon into wedges. The video ends with a summary of the